This is the Camco 50 amp RV plug. This is the male connector. As you can see, the blades and everything here. And I've actually used this quite a few times already. It's been very useful if you are doing anything with 240 50 amp power. I bought this to use with some extension cables that I have for the RV, and I've used it on the end of some service wire. I've used it for extending some generator power once before. I mean, it's just been a very useful plug, and it's very easy to deal with. So if you want to see here, these little blades, they literally just come in and out of the plug. So it's real easy to go in and attach all your cables and to make sure that they're nicely separated. And then when you're done, this just screws on this end along with this clamp here that helps hold the cable in. And then it also comes with these screws. But I mean, this has been a great plug. Right now, we're actually wiring up a RV style plug to go on the end of our tiny house electrical wire. So we have tiny house service wire here, and I am wiring it into this RV style plug. So that way I can actually just plug it into an extension cord that we also have that is 240 50 amp. And then we can just run this tiny house off of our power pole here at the land. Anyways, it's been a great plug. I definitely recommend it if you're needing something like this. It has been really tough and hasn't broken yet. I've got all the plug connectors and everything wired up, and I got it put back together, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the extension cord. But yes, these are very good plugs, and they're nice and hardy, good hard plastic plugs that you can use over and over again. All right, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.